everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn off video autoplay in Tumblr app. Unfortunately, Tumblr's mobile app doesn't have a specific setting to completely disable video autoplay. However, you can minimize its impact. How can you do this? I'll give you 3 simple ways. 1. Tumblr tends to autoplay videos primarily when connected to the Wi-Fi. So just disconnect from Wi-Fi. If you disconnect from Wi-Fi, you can significantly reduce unexpected video starts. So you can use the Wi-Fi only autoplay. Set your autoplay to Wi-Fi only. That way, it will help you to. That's where you can reduce unexpected video starts. Next, you can mute notifications. Mute notifications can prevent audio from suddenly playing when video autoplays. The third thing you can do is scroll quickly. If video starts playing, scrolling past it quickly usually pauses it. Tumblr developers may introduce a dedicated autoplay setting in future app updates, so keep an eye on App Store updates for potential changes. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section. See you in the next video.